morning, everybody. Just left Old Colony. Now we're starting the White Mountains bike tour. 120 some or 30 some miles from North Woodstock to Conway, then Conway to Gorham, then Gorham back to Woodstock. So yeah, we're gonna be on the Kancamagus or something, another highway all day today. And we got one hell of a climb up. This is absolutely beautiful. Got I think about 4 more miles up to the pass. And then it's going to be an awesome downhill, pretty much all the way to Conway. Alright, so we made it to the top of the pass. That last little while, see the sign right there, next 4 miles, 9% grade. And that's why I just come up. But yeah, it's all downhill the rest of the way, and we're going to try to find somewhere to camp while we're in the national forest before we drop completely down.
Hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more. We can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore.
It is chilly coming down this thing.
What's it for? What's it for? There's so much more than we've been told, way beyond what we can hold. So keep your eyes open for the things that really matter. Oh, we have to give it one more try Now that the idiots are taking over, they're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for? Oh no.
Yeah, the roads come out over yonder in the woods. And yeah, it kind of disappears here. And I walked way back in there. It just gets really, really, really thick, kind of like all this. So, thinking right in here be my spot. And it almost looks like somebody's camped here before. There's no, this whole area you can't have fires or anything, so there's not going to be any fire rings. But yeah, no impact to the ground right there. It's just grass. So we're going to camp right here, and we should have one amazing sunset and sunrise. It's going to be, hell, we may even see a moose or anything.